Does your electronic ignition or IPI fireplace continue to spark even after your pilot flame is lit and the main burner just won't turn on? In this video, we're going to continue looking at electronic ignition fireplaces, and this time I'm going to show you how to clean your flame rectification sensor. Remember that electronic ignition or IPI fireplaces have a control module that acts as a brain, always making sure that there's a pilot flame before turning the main burner on. It does this through what's called a flame rectification circuit. An electrical signal is sensed by the control module that is rectified by the actual pilot flame itself. If it fails to detect this signal, it does not allow the main burner to turn on. No flame, no signal, no burner. But what happens if you actually have a flame and the main burner still won't turn on? The first thing you need to do is to check to see if it's still sparking. If you see a flame but you still hear sparking, this can indicate there's an issue with the rectification circuit. The most common issue by far is a dirty rectification electrode. Deposits from burning gas can build up over time on this electrode and cause it not to work properly. Always make sure your fireplace is cold before attempting to work on it, especially if you're going near the burner or pilot assembly. You do not want to burn yourself, and you do not want to melt anything onto these components. The best way to clean these deposits off is with a non-metallic, gentle abrasive pad, like a Scotch-Brite pad or something similar. With light pressure, we can get most of the deposits off with only a few passes. It doesn't take much, so be gentle. Too much pressure can damage this electrode or the ceramic insulation around it. After cleaning the electrode, but before putting everything back together, we can quickly check to make sure it works. If your fireplace has a feature allowing you to turn only the pilot on without the main burner, I'd recommend doing that instead of lighting the whole thing. Just turn the pilot on and make sure it stops sparking within a few seconds of the flame being lit. If it stops sparking and the pilot stays lit, you should be good. In the next video, we'll go over some of the other common issues that you run into with an electronic ignition or IPI fireplace. In the meantime, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out more DIY tips. I'm Mark with Acme Stove. Thanks for watching. Stay warm.